Yeah, I think a lot of it just has to do with multiples have come down in the space, and the stock is telling us that there's kind of a perception that there's a global meltdown in iPhone demand across the world, and what we're seeing is there are likely pockets of weakness internationally, but actually our survey that we published today showed that iPhone users in the U.S. seem to be suggesting they're upgrading at rates that are similar to what it was last year.
That survey, though, to be clear, is U.S. users, correct? And that's about 50% of Apple's market. So it's another 50% that's subject to weakness. Are you seeing what areas are you seeing weakness in? I mean, I'm thinking specifically of Morgan Stanley last week, who said Katie Huberty said that she's seeing some weakness in China.
Yeah, we don't have as good a checks internationally, but I guess what we're kind of deducing is that if you look at all the component supplier data, there has to be weakness somewhere, and we're not seeing it domestically, so we know it's internationally. China's a good bet, given it's such a large market for Apple outside of the U.S.
All right, I want to switch gears, Michael, and talk about Facebook. Jim Cramer on Mad Money last night said that Facebook is ready to bottom. What's your take on this stock? Because I feel like it's been a real disappointment for most investors who think that the stock is nearing a bottom.
Well, I think you might be onto something there, just in the sense that it's been a constant barrage of negative news flow for Facebook, and that may continue. But what can cure that constant barrage of news flow is just good results. And the results don't have to be heroic or amazing. It just has to be kind of through the uprights type of results. And if that's the case, given where the stock is trading, stringing together a couple good quarters could go a long way for helping the stock as we go into 2019.